Hi guys, how are you? Today's video is only talking. I'm making some dinner for me. Just taking all the things that I have in the fridge and I make some pasta. Pasta means like, I don't know if in your country it's also pasta. It's macarrão pasta. Mm, like spaghetti. But I will make with tagliarini, and I'm like taking some chicken, some ham, and I will do like a sauce with the cheese that I have remaining here. Oh, this cheese is almost, look, this one is gorgonzola, so I will take this part that's still good. Anyway, gorgonzola, it's like already, it's like the cheese is already kaput, right? So it's the same. And now it's missing 53 days for my husband arrive. My husband is a Filipino, and I'm doing these videos for you every week and then. But of course, I want to restart with the vlogs. But I feel that the vlogs, you guys don't have that much interest when my husband is not here. That's why I'm doing some another kind of video, like about my changes, about my relation with the Filipino culture. And I see that you guys are enjoying. And for sure, when my husband arrives, we're gonna make lives. It's like we're gonna stay on live with you guys. And we have a lot of plans for this vacation. Let me make it more. We have a lot of plans for this vacation. Not that much, but we have. Because of course we want to enjoy long time that we're being far. I saw some comments here down that her husband is seaman, and yes, my husband is a seaman, but I'm also a sea woman. But this time I stay home. I had some stuff to do. I'm not really 100% for to go to the ship because I had to do some things that needed here in Brazil. But for sure, next contract, no, actually not only this. Supposed to be, I don't embark anymore. This was my, my decision before. I want really to stop in the ship. But unfortunately, now is not gonna be the right time to stop. We have some plans still of our future. Before, I cannot tell you guys, but my husband met his family, and his family is his mom and his two brothers. His father already passed, so I will ask if I can post here for you about this meeting that was in Singapore. Singapore is where his brother lives, so it's like more near for his family to go, and they got the opportunity to go inside the ship. We cannot make a big vlog from there because my husband was without times, like he cannot really be entertaining in the vlog. Just a moment, guys. So my husband cannot be entertaining in making a vlog together, but he asked his brother to just make a video of the time where they met. They met at Marina Bay Sands because I think the port area, I already live in Singapore, but I don't remember where the ports are. The ports dock, the ship dock. So I think it's really there in that Marina Bay Sands. So it's only near for him to go. I put some pesto. So it's only near for him to go outside to meet his family, and after this his family go inside the ship. Oh my god, my pesto, it's getting, come this one is getting, you know, it's like full of, but I will write down there what's the name of this. It's like when it's already kaput, I think I will remove from this container and I will try to put in another container. Oh my god, no, please. I'm gonna ask my husband to bring another pesto because we can do the pesto. Actually, my husband, when he make, it's much good than this one. But this is Genovese. It's like from really from Genova. So they met in the matcha coffee. That is really beautiful. I saw the video and they got to make a surprise. If I can post this in this video that we are talking, I will post. If not, I will post it separately in another video, okay? So, because I don't know if I can talk to his mom about this, if I can post, because maybe they don't want to be seen. But I tell you guys, it's like this, no? Our company, from the where we work, is Costa. Costa is a Italian cruise line. So, this Italian company, they have like a Brazilian season. What means Brazilian season? Means that they gonna explore our coast from Brazil. And with this explore the coast, the Brazilian government put some rules like, okay, if you want to explore the Brazilian coast, you have to hire Brazilians. That's, I think it's fine because it means that they are taking also money here, right? So they also hire Brazilians. But the another thing is, yeah, actually is this, for to explore our coast. The thing is, mostly of Brazilians have to go to the Brazilian season because why? First, because of the, also this cheese, this is what I put, the gorgonzola. Since I take here and I put in the other things, it get like, start to be like all over. It's like kaput. Don't know if you know this term, but it's like what happened to the other cheese happened to this and also happened to the pesto because maybe I mixed the cuchara. So guys, what I mean is that all the Brazilian must to come to Brazilian season, and my husband is a Filipino that must to come to Brazilian season. Why? Because his wife is here. So most of the time we make, okay, we travel, we go to North Europe like this, but mostly of the contract, like almost 5 months of the contract, we are in Brazil. And for to have this opportunity, guys, for Rico, go to Singapore or to make Asia, it's like almost impossible because in our company only 2 ships make this itinerary. That is, one is who make Asia, that is making Philippines, but it's not what he was, and one is making the world cruise. So he, because I deny my date to go to the ship this time, he had the opportunity to pass in Singapore, and since the beginning the plan was he can see his family, and this was a very very good achievement for us. His family never entered to the ship, never go inside. He was 4 years since the pandemic last time he went to Philippines, because when the pandemic starts he went to the Philippines because he want to see his mom, and then my mom passed on 2020, and he's the one who come back home like soon. Then what was his plan? His plan was to spend like 4 months in the Philippines only enjoying his family, but unfortunately my mom passed, so he had to come back, and now was the real time that he can see his family. And this was really great gift from God, because you know guys how is the ticket fare to go from Brazil to Philippines is really expensive, especially he must to come back here for him to embark in the ship. It's like his embarkation place is here. Not bad. His embarkation place was here. So for him, it's really like one in a million chance that he can go to the ship and still see his family. I know it's few time, but still he saw his family for like for 2 days. They had like a overnight. You know, it's like more than perfect. More than perfect what happened that they have overnight in Singapore and they can see his family and he can stay like one more day, not only one day, because one day is too short, guys. You know, usually we arrive in the port like 8 o'clock, and then his duty is 6 to 12. 12 o'clock he can go out, and then he can stay the whole afternoon. I mean, free until 4. Of course, he asked permission to stay more time outside the ship. But what I mean is, it's like almost impossible that, especially the port of Singapore, will be 2 days off, 2 days in the port. So it's the 2 whole days he can see his family. His family enter and go inside the ship like more than multiple times, and this was really amazing, guys. Really amazing. It's like more than what we planned, because for sure in this next 1 year we cannot go to Philippines because we unfortunately we had some stuffs to arrange, and then we cannot spend this money, but God make it great. Then God make it like more than we expect, and this was really a gift, not only for Romarico but for his mom, that she been praying for this meeting for so long, and I'm so emotional really when I remember the video. I already cried a million times. No, I already cried a million times, but when I watch that, I cry again because it was really a dream. It's like what Romarico's dream, what is like his happiness. I cannot really hold, and it is my happiness also. You know, it's like as I see him happy, for me, it's already enough. And I'm very happy of what happened. God is really good with us, because for sure if I accept to go to the ship this time, that we're gonna embark together, we're gonna have money, like that our plans will be like different. But it was not for to be. First, because I need this time. Also because, as you know, my dog passed away, the Ninoy Aquino. No joke, Ninoy, he passed, and unfortunately I was so bad this contract that passed. I don't feel good. It's like I want to give up of my job. Many things. Of course, I still want to change, if possible, position, and I still want to stop in the ship. But the thing is that time I was really considering to stop totally, but I cannot stop if my husband don't stop. It's senseless. Senseless, really. I cannot stay like 7 more months without my husband like this, because it's so hard to stay far. I will show you my food. Wait. Look, guys. It's few chicken that I have inside the fridge, plus a lot of Parmesan cheese and ham and pesto, a little bit. So, guys, it's like, let's try. It's like it's really God's will. Why He put in my mind that, Vanessa, you not embark now. It's like, why? Because He need to make this plan first, because Rico need to see his family, and I'm so happy for that. I'm so thankful for God to that He really make this effort for our lives, that He needs that. It's like more power, give us more strength. And I will try my pasta. Just a minute. good. It's like Outback. It's like Alfredo. So guys, basically is this what happened. I just want to update you the story of what's happening here. And soon Romarico is home, but I want to thank God for what happened in Rico's life, and everything have a purpose. If I didn't go to the ship, if I stay home, it's because he has a purpose to go Singapore. Guys, and I hope you understand what I want to talk here. It's only a talking, only a chat about our life, what's happening, and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe because come more videos, please. You enjoy, okay? Thank you very much. See you next video. Bye.